Step into the Hyundai 2017 Elantra Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM MP3, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster, power driver seat and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.